Hi, so I'm the founder and CEO of Blackfyre. Blackfyre is a government consulting business that helps companies enter the federal marketplace. One of the ways we do that is through helping clients get on the GSA multiple award schedule IDIQ contract vehicle. If you don't know, the administration has made GSA a priority for procuring services for the entire federal government. And so we're starting to see an increase in GSA performing those work. But in order to do work, business with the GSA agency, you have to obtain a GSA schedule. It's one of many ways to do business with the federal government, and one of them is the GSA multiple award schedule. So I started Blackfyre about 3 years ago, and what we do, we've been really successful in helping clients get on the GSA schedule. It used to be like I used to do as a consultant, and I still do from time to time. But what I've been able to do is through AI, using AI and automation process, I've been able to um, do everything really what used to take me 60 hours now it takes me like 4 hours, and that's only due to review, and I think I can improve that with the new AI models. But here you go, I have over 50 clients, I think over 60 now, just by doing business. So I do charge a premium $14,000 for the application process. I don't tell people that I have a platform that does it within 4 hours, but a lot of people um, pay for my expertise and knowledge about this, but I've been able to put everything into a GSA schedule, so into a platform. So I created this platform. It is still, I still use it. I use it now, but I don't have it external publicly facing. I'm still working out some kinks, but the platform still works, and it's pretty amazing because, like I said, it saves, I went from spending 60 hours to only spending about 4 hours. And so, for example, I'm going to do an application that I have submitted. So for here, so what will end up happening is a client will have a login where they can then log in and check the status of all their documentation. It would select what type of category they're applying for, and each one has in the back end, each one has like requirements, and you're supposed to add information and document detailing the work you perform within this area. um, then it gathers the basic information from the client. This is all information that the client inputs. Then you're supposed to, like, so for example, you will upload the logo and the letterhead, because all the documentation created by the system has to be in a letterhead document, or using their logo. Same thing with corporate experience, quality control, and the pricing information. This includes pricing data that they would share with me. And then what ends up happening, it then creates the entire package for them. So as you can see, it creates the GSA price list, the label category description. It creates an entire package for them. Like I said, currently what I'm using this internally, and so I would love to make it external, to have a subscription-based model where someone can just sign in and start developing their own application. The product is pretty much, I would say it's finished on my end as far as using it for clients. I would say half of these applications I've been able to do with using automation and AI, which has been pretty phenomenal. And so looking to scale this as fast as possible, only because this GSA initiative happened last year, so policy has changed. And what we're starting to see now is that a lot of the procurement from different agencies are closing down, and they're starting to move to GSA, but GSA is now procuring services. And I used to work at GSA, so I know that when GSA procures services, they like to procure through the GSA schedule. Like I said, there are other contract vehicles within GSA, but GSA multiple award schedule is one of the easiest one that you should get on, and that people that because it's easy to get on, it's the low hanging fruit, but it's also the biggest as far as spending is concerned. And that is it.